Okay, y'all fanatics, welcome back to another episode of Bermuda Grass Central. I'm your host, BYD, Big Yard Dog, just in case you didn't know. Guys, if you hadn't hit the subscription button, go ahead, click that subscription button, hit that notification bell. Every time BYD uploads a video to YouTube, you will be notified, all right? So, guys, let's get straight to it. When I went out today, and I ordered a pair of boots from Amazon. All right, and these boots are to help me with my pesticides applications, fertilization applications, and pressure washing if I need it for that. So stay tuned and let's talk about it. Look, I'm not gonna hold you up all day. It's just a little quick video, and hopefully this video will come before or after my prodiamine application, fall pre-emergent application to my lawn. All right. Now, what I did was I actually went to Amazon. I ordered a pair of boots. I didn't want to spend too much money, but I didn't want to go cheap either. All right. So sometimes I believe you get what you pay for. So I tried to settle somewhere in the middle, and I found these Ultra boots. All right, and they got real good recommendations, real good reviews. So I decided to go ahead and order a pair. So let's get right to it and let's see what they look like. Okay, y'all fanatics, look, straight from Amazon. I already kind of broke the tape because I was excited. I just wanted to peep in there. But this is the unboxing of those Ultra boots, okay? And guys, don't worry, there will be a link in the description so you can order these if you're interested in them. Now, if you don't like the color, they come in many other colors. I think black, green, a light blue, and a white. I got this color because it's representative of safety. All right, so let's get to it. All right, I'm so excited, man. I'm so excited. All right, look, I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Hopefully this will show like I want it to. You know, it's kind of hard to film a lot of times when you're by yourself. BYD Jr. nowhere to be found. Again, I'm gonna move this box out the way. But that unboxing was pretty pleasant, and you kind of see what we got there. This yellow boots with the black bottom. All right, and they came sealed. Matter of fact, let me get the camera over there. You see they came sealed up. They didn't just throw them in the box. All right, and it has that ASTM F24113-11 certification. And guys, that's basically just a safety certification. Let you know this has some type of resistance to electrical shock, steel toe. It's just a basic safety check on the boots to make sure that it's safe to wear if you're going to use these at work. And some people use these like in freezers, just all kinds of places, outdoors, even construction. I wouldn't probably wear them in construction, but they're supposed to be insulated and all that good stuff. So let's open these up, man. I'm interested to see. All right. So hopefully you can see me cutting this open. Matter of fact, let me change the camera angle. Hold on. All right. Hopefully that's better right there. I can see what I'm doing also. I'm gonna cut these open. I'm so excited. I'm trying to get it so you can see what I'm doing. All right, got old trusty box knife here. All right, pull these out one at a time and stand them up. These are size 11. All right, and I can see the steel toe part right in there. You probably can see it too. See that steel toe part right in there? All right, and as far as heaviness, if I had to guesstimate, this boot feels like it weighs about 2.5 pounds, maybe a little bit over 2.5 pounds. It's not heavy, but somewhere around there. Let's see what the bottom look like. All right, you see that tread pattern right there? That's the bottom. All right, that's the front view. All right, side view. Other side view. All right, back And guys, you notice it has these little rib-like places on the boot. What that's supposed to do is just kind of help with the bend of it, the flex of it, so they won't feel it stiff. All right, BYD smell test. No, I gotta do that. Let's see. Don't really, hold on, let me do it one more time. I mean, I smell a little something, but it's nothing like chemically, a chemical smell. All right, let's see if we can see the inside. All right, I'm gonna stick my hand down in here and see what it feels like. Okay. Now, when I'm feeling in here, I don't feel any, like, you know how you have the sole of the shoe that's inside the shoe? This inside feels like one solid piece, like there's no separation. Like, this is like a sock. Like, I don't feel, like I can't grab it. Well, I take that back. Me and my big mouth. Okay, I'm finna pull the insole out. All right. Here's the insole of the shoe. All right, you see those little air pockets, I guess? That's the bottom of it. All right, so I'm assuming if you want to go ahead and replace your insoles, you probably could, but these insoles are probably made specially for these shoes to help resist those electrical currents and stuff, so you may want to leave these in here. And then if I look down in here after the insole, I'm trying to get it so you can see in there. Come on. See down in there? So you can see where they seal this boot. That seal goes all the way down there. Then it actually comes back across on the bottom of the where the insole should be at. God dog it. Guys, I can't get down in there. I wish I could shrink up like Honey, I Shrunk the Kids and get in there and let you see, but you kind of see it like that. All right. So then it has these little ankle cushions right here. Hard to explain, but I think I read something about that that's supposed to help with your ankles. Other than that, they look good. Now, the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and try these on and see what they look like. I just want you to see a little lip on the back. All right, and they feel good, man. I'm not gonna lie to you, they feel good. These boots are made out of polyurethane, okay? Not PVC. So it's supposed to last a whole lot longer and resist a whole lot more. All right, and I bought these just so I could do my pesticide, and I'll use them for pressure washing also. All right, so let's go ahead and try these puppies on. Okay, y'all, for next look, I'm gonna go ahead and put these shoes on, these boots. So what I do is, hopefully you can see me, I'm gonna put my, I'll tuck the pants on the inside so you can kind of see what it looks like. Now, as far as me sticking my foot in there, you saw that. It slid right in there. And okay, first impressions. This is a size 11. All right, I'm getting just a taste, a little slip, not a lot of slip. All right, let's go ahead. Sorry for the camera shaking. That's where that part right there comes in handy, because I mean, these boots went on with ease. I didn't even struggle, not at all. Okay. Hopefully you can see that. So you got that side. Let you see what it look like from the back. All right. From the side. From the front. All right. You can see what the bottom look like. All right. And this is what it would look like if I didn't tuck in my pants leg. Now, I will tell you this. If you're working at a job that has lots of fluids, water, chemicals, you might want to tuck them in, because these pants are not pesticide resistant. But that's what that would look like. All right. So I'm going to tuck these back in, and I'm finna go get a water hose, and let's see what they look like when I spray them with the water hose. Here you are, fanatics. Look, we got a little muddy situation right there. That's where the drippings come from, the air conditioning unit. So I'm just gonna step in and see what it feels like. I mean, my feet don't feel mushy or nothing. I mean, just feel like, I can tell it's soft, but I don't feel worried that I'm gonna get my feet wet. All right, now what we have here, we have a water hose. All right, that's on, what is that on? Shower. So let's see. As long as you don't go over that lip part, good. All right, that was shower. Let me put it on. Put it on jet. Okay, I got it on jet. Now, when I hit that steel toe part, I don't really feel anything. Right here, I can feel it. That's past the steel toe part. Right there, I don't feel anything. Right there, I feel it. But when I mean by feel it, I don't mean it hurts. I could just tell something's hitting that part of the boot. Right. And in that little ankle part, I can feel it more there, less there. Less there. You can feel it on the side, front, no. All right. So that's that. Okay, now as for walking, I'll explain it to you like this. If you never worn a pair of boots like this, when you walk in them, you're gonna feel that looseness, because they're not like regular shoes. All right, so they're gonna fit loose. All right, slip in, slip out. You don't have shoelaces or straps. All right, now I'm gonna walk up here and back, and we'll see how they feel. I'm fast motion, man. Maybe with a little Olympics like this. Okay, y'all fanatics. So one of the reasons I always try to bring you new stuff is because all this is a part of being a homeowner. You need these things. You need the boots. I got a new pair of work boots that I'll be bringing online shortly. You probably saw a glimpse of them in the video here. But boots like this are needed, all right? They're for pesticide applications, especially with all this stuff going on with Roundup, you know, with the glyphosate and all that stuff. So, you know, I try to offer things that you can use to protect yourself, all right? And this is not a get-rich quick scheme. You know, I'm not selling you stuff that it's gonna benefit me directly, but like I said, when you order through my Amazon link, I get small residuals, and you don't have to order these boots in particular. You can order whatever you want, but just click on the link to make sure that you order that way. But I found these boots to be extremely comfortable. It's right now I'm testing these in the summertime, all right? So these boots are insulated. So as I was wearing them, I will be honest with you, it did seem to get a little hot, but these can be used in the fall, in the winter time also. And it just, overall, I think this is a good boot. So if I had to give it between a 1 through 10, I'm gonna give it 8, 8.5. These are BYD approved, all right? So guys, if you hadn't subscribed, make sure you click that subscription button. Every time BYD uploads a video, you will be notified by YouTube, all right? Once again, you are tuned into Bermuda Grass Central with BYD. This is Michael Bowman, and I'll talk to you soon.